Do you know, Mommy? Mommy, do you know, Mommy, what? It just looks like a dream.
Ah, yes. They're imagining, they're using their brain and mind to imagine the stories that they read in the book, and they put it in their mind. It's called imagination.
Mommy,
Oh,
what?
look at that, oh.
What's happening?
You tell me what happened.
I don't know.
You can do that. You just look at the picture and you just create a story and then you say it to me.
Hey, I don't know this.
You know that. You try.
Hey,
You just... Oh, diba sometimes you tell mommy stories before we sleep? Oh, example, one day, a shark is talking to the whale and he said, "Hi, friend." Oh, ganun lang. That's how you make a story.
and then you see it
And this picture, under the sea, this big whale is talking to the small fish and he said, "Hey, small fish, don't be afraid of me. I'm your friend." Okay? Ganun lang. It's just that's it. Then you create stories in your mind and use your imagination.
Yeah, and I know my nation.
You have imagination, just like Barney said. And you're very smart, diba? Look at these children. Oh. Okay, for a while. Listen there.
Mommy!
Yes.
Come here.
Why?
I will tell you something. Come here. Come here. Mommy, come here.
Say the magic word.
I think another one.
Another one.
What's happening? What happened?
Wait, I'll just give baby his toy.
Mommy, what was happening on our here?
Ah, the horse, maybe the horse fell inside the well and the other animals helped him because they are friends. So they get a rope and they give the rope to the horse and they pulled him up. You should help one another like this. Oh, so you should help your friends and you should share.
Mommy,
How about you? You tell me your story about that picture.
Mommy, you need to be strong.
Of course, all friends should be strong. And all friends should help one another. Right? Right? Look at that story. Oh, and then what happens next? Oh, they pulled the horse up, and then he's now okay. And he said, thank you, said the little brown pony. See? Helping helps. And helping is a good manner, right?
Mommy, look what happened.
The dog cannot pull the pony up because he is just only one. And then he called his friends, all his animal friends, and they helped one another to pull the pony, and they made it. Right? Oh, what lesson does it teach you?
Oh,
The lesson is
Look what happened.
Why?
Look, oh.
Yun nga, that's what happened. He fell in the well.
Mommy, what was the chicken doing?
It is trying to help the pony, but the chicken is too small. Right? It cannot pull the pony. Okay?
Now, Mommy, what's happening now?
It's just walking and strolling.